All right, so our objective here is that we're gonna do a merge first, a successful merge, and then we're gonna create a conflict with merge, and then we're gonna go ahead and resolve that merge. So here we go. So we're gonna make a directory for Devops, right? There's ls to show the directory. Now we're gonna get into the directory.
What's wrong, Tubby? He's scared.
As,
Why don't
as
you
you
do us
see,
all a
there's
favor
nothing
and go back
there.
to bed?
Sunny,
All
get
right,
on mute
Teddy,
real quick.
everybody just calm down.
It's
We
loud.
all know.
Okay, perfect. And then help me whenever you can. So now, obviously, we're going to create a text file, one.txt, right? And now I'm going to nano into one.txt. And I'm going to do this is the first commit. Control X, press Y to save, press enter. Now, if I do ls, this is one.txt. Let's see what is the changes we made in this file, cat.one.txt.
Yeah, don't forget to initialize the Devops.
Absolutely. So this now shows you exactly what we have. This is the first commit. Now we're going to do git init. This will initialize the GitHub repository. Then we're going to do git add one.txt. And then we're going to do git commit hyphen space hyphen m quotes. This is the first commit, enter, right? Now I'm going to do ls. We're going to do git status. Okay, we'll do git log. Nothing there. Okay, so right now, I believe we are in our master. So git branch tells you that we're in the master. I'm going to do control L. So now we're going to go to git branch F2. What we're really doing here is creating a new branch. So we're still in the master. We created branch F2. And I'm also going to create F1, which is going to stand for feature one. So if I do git branch here, you'll see we have feature one, feature two, and we have master. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into feature one branch. So the command for that is git checkout F1. Now, if I do git branch, it says here switch to branch F1. That confirms that you're in that branch. But let's just do it for clarity purposes, git branch, and now we see we're in F1. Now, if I do ls, I'll see that one.txt file. Now, the objective is that we're going to make a change to one.txt file. So we're going to do one nano one.txt. It says here, this is the first commit. Now I'm going to do this is feature one. Control X, press Y to save, then enter to write one.txt. So now if I do get one.txt, it tells us, okay, there's a first line, there's a first commit, and then our change, which is this is feature one. Now I'm going to do git add one.txt file. I'll do git commit space hyphen m quotes. This is feature one, end quotes. I'm going to do enter. Okay. Now, if I do git log real quick, it'll tell you that this was the first commit right here, right? This is the first commit. And then we did, and then it shows that the head is on the feature one. And it says this is feature one, right? So let's do git branch.
And yes.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, for you to, okay, you already did that. If when you did git branch, you're going to see where the star is. That tells you where you are feature one.
Absolutely. So now we're going to go to git checkout master, right? Let's do, it says switch to branch master. Let's do git branch. Just practice this a little bit. And now it tells us that we're on the master. And like Sunny said, if you have an asterisk on the master, that is where you are defaulted to. So I'm going to do clear screen. Let's do git branch one more time. Now let's go to git checkout F2. It says here, Now you're switched to branch F2. We'll do git branch. So you get comfortable with the commands. Now you're on asterisk F2, tells us we're exactly in F2 branch. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do ls. Now we're going to do nano.1.text. And as you can see, it has this is the first commit from master branch. And now we're going to do this is adding feature 2. Let's do that here. Adding. Okay, we'll do this is feature 2. This is feature 2. Control X to save, press Y to enter, and then press Y to save, and then enter to save the file. So we'll do cat1.text. As you can see, this is the first commit. This is feature 2. So what do we do next? Let's add git add 1.text file. Let's do git commit -m quotes. This is feature 2 quotes save. Now if I do git log, it tells you this is feature 2 right here. And now the head is pointed to F2. That means we are there. So let's do git checkout. Let's do git branch, right? As you can see, we're on our F2 branch. So now I'm going to go to my master. Before I do that, I'm going to do Control L for a shortcut. We'll do git checkout master. Okay, now we are in our master. Just to verify, it's git branch. And now we'll do ls. Now I'm going to merge. So I'm on my master, and on my master, as you can see, this only has this is the first commit. I'm going to pull the information from F1, right? So let's do git merge F1, which is the branch. And now it tells you it's updating. Fast forward 1.text, 1 plus change, 1 file change, and 1 insertion. So now if I do ls and I do cat1.text, now I see this is the first commit. And then this is feature 1. That means we were successfully able to import the changes from our branch F1. Now we're going to create a conflict. So we'll do git merge F2. And once we do that, it tells you conflict content, merge conflict in 1.text. Automatic merge failed, fix conflicts, and then commit the result. So anytime you do this, the successful way to get involved here is you have to type merge tool. I might speed up a little because we have about 3 more minutes as to end this video. So git merge tool, press enter.
Go ahead, just speed it up.
Yep. So you're going to get this message, normal merge conflict for 1.text, hit return to start merge resolution tool, WimDiff, just press enter. And now you're in this new awesome looking spaceship type of a deal. Just kidding. So this right here on the left-hand side, which is saying this is feature 1, that's our feature 1 branch. The one in the middle is this is the first commit. This is our master branch. And then this is the first commit. And at the bottom, it says this is feature 2. Hey, what happened? Right here. This is feature 2. This is our second, this is our feature 2 branch. So what we're supposed to do is you come down here real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and delete the equal sign here. And then I'm going to go ahead and delete this as well.
And then the head.
And now we're going to come, you're absolutely right. Now we're going to come to the head. Great work, Sunny. All right, now we save. Now these are the changes we made. Okay, now what are we supposed to do? We try to press escape. Okay, shift colon. So press shift and the colon. And this will give you a prompt at the bottom. You'll see like this green thing. Let me see. You see this right here? This is where you start putting the commands. And the commands we're supposed to put in. Sunny, what's the command? Lowercase.
Lowercase WQ.
There you go. Enter.
Enter.
It tells us these are the changes we're going to make, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I press
Escape WQ again, right?
No, it's not. It doesn't allow me. So I'm gonna do shift colon. I'm gonna do WQ again. Okay.
And then one more time, right?
Yeah, it's not allowing me to do it. Hold on. Let me do WQ again. Okay. Shift colon WQ again.
That's
So I've
it.
been doing WQ to save the changes.
Yeah, because we have probably like 3 different screen that we went into that we didn't really see.
Right.
So you have to save and exit, save and exit, save and exit.
And then now we have our cat1.text. As you can see, this is the first commit. This is the feature 1. This is the feature 2. And if I do ls again and I do cat1.text.original, this was our original file. Guys, thank you for your time. Appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and exit this session and we are good to go.